This is one thing that the Afrikaans rooms do that I hate. Yo, with that passie, met that passie. As jy oom sê, and then they're like, as long as it's not a no oom. What the hell is that supposed to mean? It's very predatory-esque. Ew. And then also, why do you teach us to say women tani? And then when we do it, you want to be like, oh, moenie dit sê nie. Ek is nie 'n oom of 'n tannie nie. Ek is nie 'n oom of tannie nie. Ek is nie getroud met jou oom. And I'm like, Mara then. And then with the English people, the English white people, some of them call the adults or the seniors by their names. I could never. So, guys, y'all don't know what you want. I just call everybody auntie and uncle. Mamani, malume. Finish and clap.